Okay, guys, just wanted to go over this FRQ from last week. Sorry, a little bit late on it. So the first part of it, propose one direct consequence of the loss of B cell activity on the individual humoral immune response to an initial exposure to a bacterial pathogen. Okay, so if we look at this, if loss of B cell activity, so this, and this would be out. Okay, so what would happen is none of this pathway couldn't happen, right? None of this pathway would be available. So everything would be cell-mediated response. So what would the first thing, you would not have, there would be no antibodies, and then there would be no memory B cells produced. Okay, so that would be the direct consequence. All right. One direct consequence of the loss of B cell activity on this is B, on the speed of an individual's humoral immune response to a second exposure. Okay, so in this case, because none of this, all of this is out, okay, there's no memory B cells, and then as a result, the response would really be the same as the initial response. It wouldn't be any faster as the first, because usually the second response, the immune system acts faster than the first response, but that wouldn't happen here. It would be either the same or slower. Okay. So C, describe one characteristic of the individual's immune system to the bacterial pathogen that has not affected by the loss of B cells. So basically, the whole cell-mediated immune response is still active. So you would have active cytotoxic T cells. You would have active natural killers. The whole non-specific immune system would be active. And so specific components, macrophages, phagocytes, and then the skin would all be still active. Okay, so questions like this, essentially we go here. This is a great diagram for the immune system. I would try to remember this for the most part, and so any questions about the immune system, generally speaking, you could get from here. All right, everybody have a good day.